No, that's awesome. That's definitely something to look forward to. Um, so we're the exclusive production hub for Print3's Race Foil. We actually just this year entered the FSEA Gold Leaf Awards and won 7 awards.
Yes,
And
yes.
not to mention that
Yeah.
this is our first time doing this.
Yeah. That nuts?
Yeah, it was just like crazy. Um, we were just like, yeah, let's give it a shot, and the shot hit. Why is having award-winning tactile design so critical for brands right now?
First, with the rewards, I think a lot of it has to do with you guys, you on the design side. I mean, it's, half of it is my side on the technical and making sure the machine works even beyond spec, but you guys did an amazing job. But with that said, with the awards, and I think even the awards themselves, they basically look at it and judge it whereas, hey, what looks creative and what looks pretty. And it does look amazing. And what do you think so, Andrew? Like
I think it looks amazing.
some of the stuff that we have, I mean, it just looks phenomenal. I see it every day, but I'm still amazed like how good we are at creating these amazing effects. But
Yeah.
it's tactile effects too.
Yeah.
So you're a recent graduate
Yes.
from school, but
Yes.
let me ask you this: do they teach you tactile effects in design?
No, they
It's
did
all
not.
it's all visual,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
But the idea of tactile, the idea of having that raised UV raised fall, that interaction, that touch, it's not just something that yeah, it looks cool, but there's science behind it. I mean, proven hard data. So Sappi and Clemson University did a study last fall, and what they did is they set up a fake store, basically. And they had a group of people go in there and interact with the products. So a couple of things that caught my attention with some of the stats and some of the results was this. So if someone, a consumer, interacts with a heavily embellished premium piece, by that I mean raised UV raised foil, and they start touching it twice, that increases the chances that they will buy that product by 50%. They touch it 4 times, interact 4 times, it goes to 90%. Also, a non-embellished packaging versus a embellished packaging. So an embellished packaging, a product in there, an embellished packaging will move 3 times faster than a plain non-embellished packaging, 3 times. So that just also moves product. But another thing that was even more interesting is perceived value. And what I mean by that is customers were willing to pay 89% more for the product if it was in a heavily embellished printed piece than it was if it was a flat box. In other words, when you think about this, let's say you have the same product and you're packaging it in just a regular flat plain box and you're selling it for $10. If you add premium embellishments, you could sell the same product for $18. Think about that. That's ROI. So these are the type of metrics that came out in the studies, and it's again not just beautiful, and it's very eye-catching, but it's hard-backed data, hard-backed science. So that is when I was also excited to see those results. And of course, it's going to be more studies. We are going to be conducting more studies in the Print3 network, but it is something that's very powerful, has a very huge ROI attached to it, and again. The complete deployment nationwide.
Yes, exciting.
Yeah, I mean, we're going to bring so much power to so many businesses, so many small and large businesses, and yeah, I can't wait to this just explodes.